I was stressed out.
Hi guys. Okay, I don't know what just happened, but hi guys, welcome back to another video, and have a minute of video for live episode. Okay, bye. Okay, I just wanted to say welcome back guys to another video. Today I'm playing Hungry Shark World. I haven't played this for a while. I made a video of it, kind of. Well, I haven't, I guess for a month I haven't made a video. Oh, look at these sharks. These sharks are awesome. Well, I am playing Hungry Shark World. You guys probably all know that. You guys heard of Hungry Shark. Well, this is a new one called Hungry Shark World. Let me take a picture of that. Oh, sticking his tongue. Yeah, that's wait. I don't have enough gems. So we're gonna make a gameplay of this. It's so small. This is the sharks I have. I got a black tip reef. I got a white tip. I like white tip. I don't want to get the porpoise. I got the blue shark. I'm trying to get to that shark, sand shark, or probably a chase shark. These right now. I am not gonna get those because I don't want to fight into it. We're just wasting money. Okay, I like my shark, it has a mohawk. Some missions. Eat 2. Oh, okay. Eat 2 tourists around swimming pool. Eat any 20 sharks. And eat 10 meat and fruit fish. Unlock the Arctic Ocean and take you have to eat that? See if it's on top of the list. That's me. What am I doing? Oh, this is my aquarium. It's an aquarium. Is this supposed to be? Oh, this, I have to log in Facebook to do this. Dang it. Okay, let's just get to playing. I know you guys want me to play. Garbage. You have me. I wish I could make videos on my Xbox. Because I'm really good at Call of Duty Ghost. Just to say, if you guys want to be my friend on Xbox, my Xbox Gold name is called, my Xbox Live name. You guys can be my friend. It's called Schoolhead408. And that sounds kind of weird, but it says Schoolhead. The capital words. All the words are capital. So make sure if you guys want to be my friend, you must have Xbox Live or Xbox Live Gold to play with me. I play online games, but you're allowed to download games and get friends, but you're not allowed to play online games. But you can beg. Pretty cool. Eat some shark. Some. Yay! Oh gosh! No. Hold on. I'm on a rampage. Oh, come on. Oh no! Dang it! I'm really dumb. Oh, I almost made a puffer fish. I could have died. Grab. Guess who? Look at that. Sounds like a girl. Turtles! Oh, I just ate Dory. Have you guys watched Finding Dory? Finding Dory's like a pretty cool movie. It's kind of cool. I like it. I like Finding Dory. Pelicans! Die! I like the water. Look at the water. It's just kind of weird. I am playing on my controller. On another guy? Okay, he's dead. Crabs. I like eating crabs in real life. I get it. Igloo tangs. Ooh, I like eating these. Sleepy down here. Will you ever guys explore the ocean? I won't. Well, I want to do that. I want to like diving and pet some sharks. Not like great whites. Well, there's some great whites that you could pet in real life. But I want to pet a tiger shark. Oh, murder will do us. Eat anything I want. Oh no. I got a lot of money. Ew, how many squids? Oh, 10 seconds, Will! Look at this Will! I need an extra large, just like... Who you? Oh, I'm gonna need this shark. Holy shoot, no. I'm gonna die. No! No. I'm starving, need some stuff. Why is there a humongous? What is that? The jewelfish. Aw, it's over. Whoa, there's a ship. Jewelfish. Oh, no. Aw, I died. Pretty good. Having fantastic. Not now. Yep, I completed that. Well, I have 27%. Look at all these. Oh, I forgot about that. Hey, look, that's my high score. 70,000. Or 7,000 or 7,000. I can't tell. Pretty good. Little shorts. That's probably it, guys. I'll see you next time. I'll see you next time in another video. I just want you guys to tell me what game should I play. And that's it. Goodbye. Where's my others? Goodbye, guys. See you later. Bye.